Here's how to remove the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. First, open the Steam app on your phone and try signing into your account. On the sign-in screen, tap I no longer have access to my authenticator. Then select Contact Steam Support for more help. In your browser, scroll down and choose I deleted or lost my Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. Enter the email address linked to your Steam account, then select I no longer have access to my Steam Guard. If your account has a verified phone number, choose Text an account verification code and follow the prompts to verify your identity. If you no longer have access to that phone number, select I no longer have access to this phone number instead. Then choose the email verification option. Steam will send a recovery email to your registered email address. Open the email and click Resume Recovery. This will take you to the Steam recovery page. From there, enter the backup code that you saved while enabling Steam Guard. Then select Remove Steam Guard Authenticator and confirm the request. That's all for this video. Thanks.